The topic of today's video is Crypto.com app versus exchange. So whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, understanding these platforms can help you a bit. So Crypto.com offers two main platforms. The Crypto.com app, designed for everyday users. This mobile app provides a user-friendly interface for buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrencies. Crypto.com Exchange is tailored for active traders. The exchange offers advanced trading features, including various order types and market analytics. Both platforms are part of Crypto.com's broader ecosystem, though, which includes products like crypto-linked debit card, NFTs, and its native cryptocurrency, Chronos. So when it comes to the user interface, the app is intuitive and easy to navigate, ideal for beginners. The exchange, however, offers a more complex interface suited for experienced traders, though not too difficult to get the hang of, honestly. While the app allows for basic buy and sell functions, the exchange provides advanced trading options, including limit and stop orders. I think the main draw for the app is the fact that it's just so convenient for on-the-go trading. You can always monitor your trades, and the exchange is typically accessed via desktop for a more comprehensive trading experience. So that would be honestly the main difference. So there's no need to choose between the two. It's always best to have both. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.